Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Miracuves Solutions. Here we are presenting you our Wise clone. We call it MX Wise. You can see the front end design. The landing page is pretty much built just like Wise, with all the basic features which Wise offers. You can see the landing page is quite elaborate with all the things, and it can be customized to match your needs. This is a real-time exchange which works right off the box without any problems. It's deeply integrated. When send money, the business account is also there for you to run your business, and there are platform details and everything around for you to actually make it more sound like realistically. But this all can be modified as per your personal needs. There's multi-language option as well. There is a help section and login and sign up. We'll start with the login part primarily. So we're gonna click on login, and you can see this is a good looking, very decent platform screen, and we have pre-filled all the demo accounts for you to look into. We're going to start with the user account first. Here, when we get inside, you're greeted with a very warm dashboard which has all the things around, from the complete stats and all the balances and the transfer things and the volume and everything. These are all demo populated data. When you will get it for yourself, this all will be removed and it will have a clean transparency in there. There you can see their wallets, different wallets for different currencies, and you can have different open balance also for different currency accounts also. Then you have option to send money across. You can add a recipient, and then you can define what kind of recipient it is, and then you can choose the amount which you want to send across. And it can be in different currencies, and you can enable and disable more currencies from the backend as required, as and when needed. And you can send it across to people by different methods also. You can send it as from your wallet balance, bank transfer, your card, and you can put up their details to send it across to them. And then you can see all your transfer histories, which you have done in the past, with all the details. You can see you can do batch transfers, you can do multiple transfers to people at the same time. Then you have schedule transfer system, which you can schedule in advance to send it across to people. Then you can set up recurring transfers, which you have to do at regular intervals. You can send requests for payments. You can check all your payment links here, which you can ask, and you can also share them QR code for making payments to you. You can manage all your recipients here. You can manage all your virtual and physical cards, which the platform can issue. The virtual cards are already inbuilt, and for the physical cards, third-party integrations are required. Then you can control all your payment methods here to send across payments by your card and other payment things. You can check all your reports of whatever transactions or spendings or tax payments or monthly statements, whatever, you can get it from here. You can have your complete analytics of your account, of what all has happened in the past and with a complete iteration. And you have a calendar management also from a specific date also if you want to look into. Then comes the settings part. You can control everything from your profile to your security to all your devices which are there, your API keys for third-party integrations, your payment controls, your notifications, your privacy data, and your advanced data for your sign out on the devices and delete accounts. For the security, we have kept it simple. You have password. Of course, you can have two-step verifications. You can manage multiple devices, secure communication, biometrics, and everything. You can do referrals also from the platform, which can be set by admin that what kind of referrals has to go through and what kind of rewards are there with the such referrals. And there is, of course, the support desk, where you can actually run the support and get all the help required for your account. Now, we'll step away from the user account and we'll move towards the admin account. When you sign in as the admin, you get a complete admin dashboard console where you get all the features, all the control, all the insights of the platform. And it's quite elaborative. Going one by one feature, it's going to take ages, but again, we'll just give an insight that you have all the everything in place. The complete control. You can see the complete management, the KYCs, the fraud alerts, the AML, KYC, everything is incorporated. You have the complete analysis of the platform, complete monitoring of the platform, all the audit logs. You can manage all the individual users, all the businesses. KYC review control, the compliance controls which are required actually, fraud alerts, if any, dispute resolutions are also there. You can see all the profiles which are doing any risky things, and if there's something going wrong, and you can have the risk factor analysis. This is an AI aggregated system. Then this is the platform mode which we have built, like the demo mode, MVP mode, and white label mode. This is for our internal thing, but when you get the platform, you won't get it. Then there are feature flags. You can actually feature the transaction, feature the all the feature flags of the system. This is more related to the AI part of the system and the APIs, of course. You can have the access controls and different role-based accounts and managements. You can limit the controls of the account. This is the operation queue management and different other integration feeds and stuff. You can configure the complete system from here. All your like payment parts, your on-feeder AMLs, your exchange rates providers, your RPC bridge system, your email service, whichever you want to use with the platform, your SMS service, whichever you want to use with the platform, PDF service for transaction invoices and stuff, and the compliance requirements in your WebSocket for chats and stuff. Talking about settings, you have got all. You can control the branding, the landing page contents, the fee structure, the advanced structures, the email controls, the KYC again, the payment, which currencies are supported and all, your compliance for which countries and what is the limits, and then your security stuff, your API controls, your reportings and data storage, of course, the content, the liquidity, which liquidity method you want to go for, and your notifications control. Then if you're talking about transaction control, you have the complete control over the transactions. So like what are the stats of the transaction, you can control them from here. Or the settlement cycle, you can set it from here and manage it properly. All the reconciliation for the internal accounting for to be submitted to the central government is also here. We have multiple integrations possibility in around with AWS and SMS providers and email and the push and the Stripe and the KYC and Redis and monitoring, and we can do any other customizations whatever you need. The complete webhooks, the support operation management, the incident response systems, the task automation systems is quite an amazing part itself, a chapter using which you can actually run all the system automations with all the crons and everything done by the system itself. The data retention mechanism, which ensures that for how long you want to retain the data and what you have to do about it and how you can filter the data. And we really have quite a powerful AI management to actually take care of all those things based on their AI judgment decisions. And definitely have report centers for all the reports and everything. And you can see the rate fluctuations and everything in here. There's more to it, but again, it's very difficult to actually explain everything in such a short span of time. But definitely, it's pretty much loaded. There are other profiles also, like business profiles and user business and stuff, which can be checked by you and understood very properly. And we can enable BAS system. That's an add-on which we can add, and you can start providing accounts to people just like Revolut. That's pretty much it. And Wise is quite a powerful platform. And if there's anything else you really want to consult, want to come to a decision, or you really something want a custom flavor of yours, please let us know and we'll be happy to help. Thank you so much for watching, and we really appreciate it. Myself looking forward to get started with you in the real time.
Let's walk you through to MXY's mobile application. This is the splash screen followed by the login screen. Here you can see we have already pre-filled the demo mode for you to actually look into this, but if you disable the demo mode, you won't be able to see it. They're all together. So we're gonna call it back. So we're gonna go with the personal and gonna log in. Here you can see you're greeted with a proper dash screen where it speaks about your user, your total balance, your wallets, all the quick actions, your recent transfer histories and details. You have the bottom sidebar. It's a dashboard. You can see all your wallets. You can see all your Scan QR codes and make the payments. It's pretty straightforward when you look here because things are put up in a very simple way. It's nothing complicated as such for you to start using the mechanism, and most of the things you'll find here. You control your cards, you can actually set as default, read them, you can even add a card method also. You can see your entire activity log, your logins and your logouts and everything. You can check your payment requests and receipts. You can do your team controls, you can manage your business, everything is there. It's quite an elaborate app, it has all the features and it can be customized to match your needs also. Thank you so much for watching, we really appreciate it.